Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and we are here in the outdoor testing studio where I have in front of me a really cool commercial grade dehumidifier. This is the ALORAIR Storm Extreme, the large size. This thing is obviously commercial grade. I really love it. One of the things, just putting it up here, it has these two handles which make it so easy to move and manipulate around. Really cool. And while we're up here, you see these little tracks? It is stackable. If you're somebody who needs more than one of these at your job site, you can stack these while transporting them to your site. So a couple of those key stats that you'd like to know. It is capable of pumping 180 ppd, which is just off the hook crazy. You're going to hear a little later how quiet it is. It has an internal memory that even if it gets unplugged and then you plug it in or the power goes out at your work site, it will reset to where it was before. There's an app for it. Let's check that out now. Okay, so how cool is this that you can connect via an app and control it and see how it's functioning from nowhere near where you have it operating. You can see the temperature on both the intake side and the outtake side, as well as the relative humidity. You got your overall relative humidity that you can set, the points that it's working to. You can remotely turn the purge on or off, and then on the next page, you could see all of the details of its operation. And I just think that's such a cool feature. Definitely a good value add. Okay, I don't know if you can tell or not from the audio recording because I haven't listened to it yet, but this is the real sound of what this makes, which is incredibly low. I mean, we've worked with a number of commercial grade dehumidifiers, right down to having losses in my house and having the restoration come and having them running in the house. So I know how loud these things can be, and it is impressive how quiet this is.
Very quiet.
Even in the pump out cycle, it just went through a pump out cycle and it's still quiet. Okay, we're here in southern Florida. This is just a little experiment where I ran it for a couple hours. I know it's very humid here and a little bit cheating, but it is absolutely stunning how much water this pulled out of the air. And it can pump up to 14 feet, meaning you could have this in the basement, you know, doing a project, a job, clearing out the basement, run the hose out of the window and upstairs, and it will empty out the basement. You don't even have to worry about it. It'll pump it right out. That pump is completely automatic. When you turn it off, the pump runs for about 30 seconds, empties the entire system out, so you're ready to pack it up and put it away. So it comes with close to a 20-foot long hose, which has this great quick disconnect. So when you're done at the job, you just unhook it, curl it up, and you're out. That's all there is to it. It is really great and easy to work with that way. Another thing I really like about it is, look at this, it comes with a really nice long commercial grade, really nice heavy duty cord, so you're not having to drag extension cords everywhere to use it. Another great feature that it has is this has a 5-year warranty, which is just outstanding on a product like this. All you really need to know about the keypad here is you're going to set for the humidity you want. You also have a functionality if you wanted to set it for a certain amount of time, like you could set it to run for 6 hours or something like that. While it's running, here it will show you the humidity, it will show you the temperature at the inlet and the temperature at the outlet, and outside of that, it is just turn it on and go. It is totally self-sufficient. So I'm going to actually give this a full 5.5 out of 5 on the Doug score. More than a perfect score, because somehow I'm kind of in love with the dehumidifier. I'm not sure how that happens, but this thing is absolutely awesome. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.